I've got a question here on probability. We've got 5 white socks and 3 black socks in a drawer, and a rather unnecessary diagram here, and this guy takes out 2 socks at random, and we need to work out the probability that he takes out 2 socks of the same colour. So I need to construct a simple probability tree of 2 branches. We're only interested in the selections where 2 white socks are obtained or 2 black socks are obtained. So we don't need to bother with this branch here or this branch here. Now, the fact that he takes out 2 socks means that effectively the socks aren't replaced. So he takes out 1 sock and then takes out another sock. So what's the probability that he will take out a white sock on the way to 2 white socks? Well, the probability here will be 5 out of 8. Now, the fact that he's got that white sock in his hand means it's not in the drawer. So the number of socks in the drawer has gone down to 7. And because he's got a white sock in his hand, there are only 4 white socks left in the drawer. So the probability of picking another white sock is now 4 over 7. Let's do the same for the black socks. There are 3 black socks out of 8, so the probability of choosing the first black sock will be 3 over 8. And the same conditions apply, that he's not going to put that black sock back, so the black sock choice has gone down to 2, and the total has gone down to 7. As we go out along the branches, we multiply the probabilities. Because after all, the probability of getting 2 white socks is less than the probability of getting 1 white sock. So we need the fraction of the fraction, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the probability of arriving here at 2 white socks is equal to 5 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 7, which is equal to 20 over 56. And similarly, the probability of getting 2 black socks is the multiplication of these 2 probabilities, which is 3 over 8 multiplied by 2 over 7, which is equal to 6 over the same denominator, 56. Now, if we don't care whether it's 2 white or 2 black, then these probabilities will add, because as we go down the probability tree, collecting results at the end of the branches, we can add. So bringing that all together, we can say the probability of getting 2 white or 2 black is equal to 20 over 56 plus 6 over 56, which is equal to 26 over 56, which cancels down to 13 over 28. And that is the answer.